Chris, everyone wants to know, especially since it is Father's Day. Maybe you've got plans to go out to eat or we're hoping to go for a walk. When's the storm going to be out of here? We're hoping we can salvage some dry hours later on this afternoon. In fact, the heaviest of the rain and the severe weather threat has already pushed away and over to the east. We had some of these tropical rain bands that moved through our area earlier during the overnight hours. Some of them did have some rotation with it, but not strong enough to issue any tornado warnings overnight in our area. We did have some tornado warnings down in parts of central Georgia. So those stronger tropical rain bands have already pushed off to the east. Now, as I put this into motion here, you can see we're pretty much in the center of this circulation, the area of low pressure right on top of us here in metro Atlanta. That is what is left of Claudette right now. And so on the backside, we have a few lighter showers, still some breezy conditions there too. That's going to keep moving on through. And once this pushes off to the east, that's when we'll start to see a few more breaks in the rain later on today. Right now, nothing really heavy in Atlanta. We do have these additional showers, though, that are over to the east of us that are stronger. Those are moving away into the Carolinas. A few more showers here on the north side. That's wrapping around here on the back side of this. And as some of these heavier bands came through last night, we had some spots that picked up a lot of rain. We showed you earlier up in Somerville and up in the Chattooga County area, all of the flooding that we had there. Look at this, almost 5 inches of rain over parts of this area of Chattooga County. And then elsewhere over North Georgia, you can see the yellows and oranges here indicating some impressive rainfall amounts. Right here in parts of Pickens County, maybe 3.5 inches of rain there. Also moving over into parts of Habersham County here, the southern parts of Habersham, 3.8 inches of rain. On the south side and here in the metro Atlanta area, we had just some spotty amounts here of over 1.5 inches, like up in parts of Gwinnett County, also DeKalb County, about 1.33 inches. And on the south side here in parts of Fayette County, more than 2.5 inches of rain. And then in this band that came through Meriwether County, almost 4 inches. So a lot of people did see a good bit of rain from yesterday and into the overnight hours. Here again is that circulation. That's the system that's going to be moving over to the east. And as it does, we'll begin to see some of our conditions improving. Now, we continue with the flash flood watch that's going to be in effect until 8 o'clock. That's even with the rain chances diminishing later today, because any additional scattered showers will still add to our saturated ground, and we could have some of those areas of spotty flooding around too. There's the low right on top of us right now here in metro Atlanta. This is how it's going to move on over to the east today by 2 o'clock. Pretty much around Athens and east of that. And then look at this, it becomes a tropical storm again over the North Carolina coast. They have a tropical storm warning in effect for the North Carolina coastline, and then it moves up toward the north and east, finally exiting and getting out of our area. Now, even though the center of the storm is on top of us, we're going to have just some breezes around today. Nothing particularly strong, just some of those wind gusts that are going to be going up at times, maybe up to around 20 miles an hour, but those are not sustained, and then things calm down a little bit later on. So here's a look at that moisture. See how that moves on over to the east, but still it doesn't totally clear out. We'll have scattered showers here on the back side of this system. And then at late afternoon into evening, even the clouds breaking up a little bit with some sunshine trying to break through. And then as we head into Monday and Tuesday, the rain chances aren't over, but at least they come down a little bit. 40% chance for showers Monday, back up to 60% chance on Tuesday as the front moves in. And then some drier weather for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday before rain chances move back up again by Saturday.